Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Trading for Beginners. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to close partial on your TradingView account. So, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. First thing first, I assume that you have already logged into your TradingView account. After logging in, you'll see this kind of interface on your screen. Now, all you got to do is look on top left corner of your screen and there is buy and sell option. Just pick any one of them and click on buy or sell. For example, I'll buy it now. After purchasing, just scroll down here and just click on the cancel button and click on close position. That's how you can close your partials on TradingView. That's it for today guys. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to give thumbs up, comments and feedback will be appreciated. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that I can come up with new videos like this. Until then, have a great time and thank you for watching.